Weighing the bread pan. 14.7 ounces. Measuring loaf number 1 with the sugar. £2 and 8.8 ounces. The baked loaf number 1 with the sugar. £1 and 8 ounces. I am going to measure how high loaf number 1 rose due to the interaction with the yeast and the granulated sugar. Four inches and 3/4. Bring the ingredients of loaf 2 with the honey. £2 and 9.8 ounces. Weighing baked loaf number 2 with the honey. £1 and 9 ounces. Now I'm going to measure how high loaf number 2 rose due to the interaction with the honey, sugar, and the yeast. Five and a half. Measuring the ingredients of loaf 3 with the brown sugar. £2 and 8.2 ounces. Weighing baked loaf number 3 with the brown sugar. £1 and 7.5 ounces. Now I am going to measure how high baked loaf number 3 rose due to the interaction with the brown sugar and the yeast. Three and 13/16 inches. Now I am going to cut open each loaf, starting with loaf number 1 to examine the air bubbles inside. Now I am going to cut open loaf 2 to examine its air bubbles inside. Lastly, I'm going to cut open loaf 3 to examine its air bubbles.